Drop that Akpi new song. Baby oil. Wait. For the first time, you never go prison, you go sabi sing. Hello. Akpi don't sing now. In lyrics, they come out correctly. Barrister Pelumi, you that part of people will release Speedality. Because lawyers will now walk this period in and out of prison. In and out of different. See, Speedality go prison, come back. When I say me no talk. In lawyer they tell and say, no. Part of the law. I die. Drop the song. Listen, they yell. Now this one they call beef song. Beef. Normally for Yankee as you shake and for shoot you. Normally, now what is supposed to happen now? Drop them.
EFCC they give bed, DSS they give food. I don't survive ground zero. What can you do to me? Next.
Wait. That's why they say who to fear past now who don't survive ground zero. Very dark man. Hello. Anybody where don't go grand, there's nothing to. That's why you cannot fight with everybody. Some of una married women, una go to quarrel with una husband. Your husband already told say go be a share what he die. Leave her. That's what he wants to do. Leave him. The way they have living legend, you have living prostitute. Hello. I'm telling you. And Abuja people will not even they try. Because there are so many things. See now, when I come show with all the problem in Port Harcourt and beggars and land. They don't give you 3 months to build. If you don't build on that land, I want see money. How do you give people 3 months to build? Uncompleted building, where we say that people take the chop for Abuja. Agent don't carry you go uncompleted building for Abuja. In 3 weeks, we are done. You call the shock, say they never pull louvers, they never say, I said 3 weeks. Just pay. Wait till they tell the also. Now they say, wait. And people there they say, I see somebody like, you say, he there. Ooh. Wicked there. Are the best na governor be minister. Now the best governor minister. Who there? Olonwa, but who there? Why you go we can call you no get work? I go call small picking show where would they play that concourse? We can there, we can no day jobless, God forbid. Minister, we never finish to fight with land grabbers and beggars. We can't follow us down for show. They do skywise. We can way wise. Hello. We can say there. Essay in South Africa, which one be essay? Now, Lord, big shout out to Sheyi Vodi. Clap for my chair there. That's my chairman there. Sheyi Vodi. All these Abuja big men. You know, so what made me even really like Abuja? Because to some extent, people can't think whether I don't start to stay for Abuja. Nothing there here on only promises. If they promise you for this Abuja. Skywise, you know, I tell you, say, I bet maybe you find 2 motor for me. Now, one man promised me, I don't call you. I said, give me 2 cars. Where are balance? Now, tell me this. No wonder. Who wanna be? Where do you wanna? You wanna be friends? No money don't come up from here. The country hard. For una to even pack money condition, wanna clap for ourselves. No, don't clap. Clap. It's not easy. Skywise, I hear how much you give Papi. Now you confuse Papi. Now you don't know whether na fashion show you want to do. Papi hold cigar for back, they contemplate. Baba man smoker. I say no smoker, now your brand. Hello. Papi hold cigar. But when I see Papi swag, showbiz, you will do anything. See along our billionaire wife, they control people for back. She nearly stopped tailoring today. Hello. You know what it means to control model? Why you just coming? Voice don't go. But see, when you say your husband they make money, it's hard. That's why when your husband call, you see kiss for his shirt, leave him, not enemies. Hello. enemies. Good night. My name is Osh Baby.
Fat motherfucker.